Many food processing plants need to use industrial pressure cookers, but some people are afraid to use them because they are worried that they are unsafe. If you have used this pressure cooking kettle from Jingye Machinery, your worries will disappear. This pressure cooking kettle has a pressure gauge on the top, which can monitor the pressure in real time. The side is equipped with a temperature sensor, so you can always see the temperature changes. The most important thing is this automatic exhaust device, which will automatically exhaust the food after processing. When the exhaust is completed, the lid will automatically open. With a 10-inch touchscreen, sealed pressure cooking process becomes simple and safe. Just set the temperature and cooking time, then the equipment will automatically complete the cooking process.